Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another recipe. In today's video, I'll be making this Nigerian stir-fry Indomie noodles. This recipe is super quick, easy and very tasty. I hope you enjoy watching. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. I brought a pot of water to a rolling boil and to that I added the Indomie noodles. I'm using the small packs for this recipe, the super pack. After adding them into my pot, I'll cover and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes and then bring it down. You don't want to overcook because it can get soggy. After 2 minutes, I transferred it into a sieve and here are the rest of my ingredients. I have green beans, chopped onion, peppers, tomatoes, carrots and fried meat. To fry the veggies, I heated up vegetable oil. Then I added the spring onion. I'll saute this for about a minute or two. And then I will add the diced tomatoes and peppers. I'll fry this for about 2 minutes. I added the diced carrots and green beans. You can add as much veggies as you want, and I'll let this fry for about 2 minutes. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. Make sure you click the subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so you're among the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I'll add the Indomie seasoning. Some fried meats cut into bite sizes. You can use sausage or chicken or eggs or even sardines, but just use whatever you like. But for this recipe I chose to use meats. I added the Indomie noodles and I gave it a good mix to combine the noodles and the veggies. Before parboiling the noodles, ensure the rest of the ingredients you use to prepare it are all ready, because you need to mix when the noodles is still hot. Once it gets cold, they start sticking to each other and it tends to get soggy. This stir-fry Indomie is ready. Super easy, simple, and it doesn't take so long. So right now I'm going to go ahead to prepare the eggs that I'll be using to enjoy these noodles. I have 2 eggs here. I'll crack the eggs into a plate, add some veggies, add some of the Indomie seasoning, and I'll fry. To fry the eggs, I heated up vegetable oil. I poured in the egg mixture into the pan. I will fry the eggs until it is ready. This should take about 4 minutes. I'll fry one side for 2 minutes and then flip over to fry the other side for another 2 minutes. Remember to fry the eggs on medium to low heat. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you all for watching and see you all in my next video. Bye.